Our next project is very simple and easy. You just need to trace down your hand on the colorful sheet of the paper. Then you can just cut it down with the help of the scissors. We are adding somewhat fan shapes in the background and we are drawing the emojis at the palm of the hand. This activity is very easy and very less time consuming. This one is a unique project. For this, we are just tracing down our hand and cutting it and pasting it. We are just folding the two fingers in between and then the heart shapes are cutted and pasted in the background. We can denote the nail paint with the help of the red color that we are just applying on the nail tips. Let's try to make the face of the Santa. For this, we are taking the white sheet of the paper and we are cutting it down in a somewhat circular shape. After that, we are making this fan shape. This will denote the beard of the Santa. Then the rest of the features are added with the help of the colorful sheets of the paper. With the help of the watermelon peel, we are going to make a beautiful star-shaped flower. This one is very nice. Our next activity is very simple and easy. We are taking the colorful sheets of the paper and we are tracing down the butterfly and see how we are opening it. This type of activity is very simple. From these two stripes of the paper, we are just trying to knit a beautiful heart. The difficulty level for this one is medium difficult and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 12 to 13. This is so beautiful.